There he is. Come over here. Who's that? Look. What?
Look at that truck! Look at that truck and that truck and that daddy's truck. There it goes.
Welcome back to another episode of Trailer and Trucker. I've been lazy on the recording once again, but anyway, right now I'm at G3 out of Hamilton, basically across the port from P&H and Bungie. Unloading corn, and then I'll be getting fertilizer, which is next door neighbors from here, and then that'll be going up to Dave's. I've been doing that quite a bit. Fertilizer season, so it's gonna get busy, and we'll try and keep up with the video. Right now I'm getting probed, so it's kind of similar to the P&H. It's all scan your card, punch your code in, get on the scale, scan your card. Is this your load number? Yes. Is this the right weight? Yes. And then you go wait in line, and then there's a little screen there with my load with the load numbers on it that are, so the trucks that are here, their numbers will be scrolling through, and then it'll tell you what lane to go in. There's 3 lanes to go, 3 lanes, and usually trailers like mine, we go into lane 1 or 2, and lane 3 is for the end dumps trailers. We're just moving ahead here. Boats are still here. That one I'm not sure. I think that's something. I don't know what that's for. And then the one that you see down, you'll see it better, but that's full of fertilizer. They're kind of putting on hold right now because of the misty rain, gloomy day today. So I'm just gonna pull on the scale here. Give me a second. Wait in line, it says. So we shall wait in line. Why people, I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, or they just think that that lane there beside here is only for grain train or for B trains, and this one's only for end dump. Well, the way I see it, why can't you stay 2 and 2, end dump or not? I gotta go in order. I don't know. It doesn't really explain it properly. Like, we got all that room, but the guy beside me is with that guy, and I'm behind this guy. Well, I don't know. I think he's gonna see. There we go. And then he's gonna go ahead, and then I should go right behind this guy. Let's try it. A little better. Anyway, jammed my finger there yesterday when I kind of tripped to get onto the trailers there, and I put my hand out, but it missed, and I bent my ring finger back. Kind of hurts still. Anyway, so we're gonna do this way here. Better turn this on. They might.
Go ahead.
Something.
Yeah, this is 1163546. That was rejected. I did have my radio on. What was the reason?
5 rusty grain beetles found in the sample, sir.
Alright. That's the request for a reprobe, I guess?
Yeah, it is. Our policy is to not do any reprobes at all, especially not for live bugs. I can get you to take a number, and then you can probably give the grading room a call, and I can connect you up to my supervisor, but he'll tell you the same thing. No reprobes, sir.
And you found live what kind of bugs?
Rusty grain beetles, sir.
Alright, I just gotta let my boss know.
10-4.
That sucks. Anyway, I don't think you guys want to sit here and wait, so I'll show you how we unload here. I don't know if you can see that. Probably you can't, but there's a screen up top there where all the little red is. It's all the load numbers that all the trucks are in here, so it'll tell you. Obviously right now it's telling me to wait. I see my number there, and it'll tell you which lane to go into. So still waiting. So, oh, I'm getting a phone call. So I'm still waiting. And I know a guarantee. Yes, I know a guarantee that there's nobody in that pit right now, and they're still having us wait. They just got on the radio to me telling me that they degraded me to a 3. Usually they'll call you and be like, yeah, you'd have been degraded to a 3 because of test weight. Would you like to make a call or whatever, basically saying, is that okay? And obviously, yeah. Like, a 3 is like still a perfect score out of 4. So anyway, that's what they do. But the rain's starting to pick up a little bit anyway, I think. But yeah. Yeah, so this is what sometimes happens here. I shouldn't say sometimes, most of the time. But you think when they get on the radio saying what my test weight was, you think they'd let me go 3 when I say it was okay. Holy moly, let's go. I mean, I'm not really in a hurry. After I'm done there, we're getting fertilizer and going home. So, but still. And I have to pee. That doesn't help out. Is this camera crooked or is it just my head? Am I just completely crooked? I know I have issues. Let's try that. Oh, come on. There's nobody in the pit. I know there isn't. So what the heck's the hold up? Buh. I don't know if you can see it, but I put some lights underneath the dash here. A little bit of a fade. But anyway, do 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 do. Do 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 do. Hey, lane 2, yeah, here we go. Take it. Burp burp. Pretty sure it said, yeah, that's me. So we drive up to the lane 2 door. I don't think you could see it on the screen. Maybe you can now. The whole truck fits in here. It's nice. That's not the camera on an angle. That's just because of the road. So pull right up to this little scan looking doohickey thingy here. Whoa, too far. Grab my port pass. Open up the door a little bit. And that door should open. Should. Maybe there is someone in there. I don't think there was. Oh, shush. Scan accepted. Proceed on door opening. Open sesame. Open sesame. What the H? He gets to go in first? This thing must be broken. Yeah, G3, you got a copy?
Go over G3.
Yeah, I'm just sitting here at lane 2 here. I'm pretty sure there's no one in the pit. The door's not really opening here.
Come on, needing help, assistance?
I scanned my port pass and it says it's accepted. Proceed on door opening. The light's still on, but the door's not open. Unless there's someone in there, but I don't think there was.
Over there. Second. Okay, driver, just working something out here. Just stand by. Should be opening 1 minute here.
Yep, no problem, thank you. Usually when you scan the right there at the green light will flash and then come off again, and then if there was somebody in there it wouldn't open until they left. But this time it's just the light staying on. Unless, I don't know, maybe I'm just impatient and there's someone in there. But I don't think there is. I really don't. I seen both trucks that were ahead of me. I was the third truck. I seen both trucks leave already. So I'm about 90. There it goes. Thank you. Quiet. Alrighty, let's go unload. I want that one. that's how that works. There, I usually just let all the air out of the airbag, so it's easier on them, so we don't blow an airbag. I know it doesn't come out that fast, but I mean, better safe than sorry. And then if you don't roll the tarps, if it comes out that quick, it's going to suck the tarp in. I've had that happen before. So, had to go roll those quick, and then yeah, I let the air out on both trailers and the truck, and then yeah, open her right up. And now I just scan my card once again to receive my paperwork. Way too far away from the screen. Like he got rejected. A lot of people get rejected.
This is Underhill. You still want me to wait on the road here? Yep, you might as well just stay there, hon. You're going to be there for a while. Okay, thank you. You've stopped all loading right now. Okay.
So, I don't know if you heard that, but it sounds like Agrico has stopped loading trucks because of the rain. Maybe I'll just stay here for a bit, maybe the rain will go away. Oh, it's actually
Are you there, Gabby?
raining pretty good. Not cool. Not cool. Not even the slightest coolest thing ever. And I have to pee still. So, anyway, I'm gonna wait as long as I can. Wait out the rain. I mean, I'm gonna have to because Dave is expecting this fertilizer tomorrow morning. So I pulled on the scale and got scaled in. They're still not loading. It looks like it's slowing down on the rain. But I scaled in at Agrico here, and I was told that try to wait it out as much as possible. So we'll try it. Dave really would like this load tomorrow, so do what we can. So we're gonna sit here and wait. It'd be kind of cool if I could show you the boat unloading, but I should have showed you freaking Tuesday. I was here and they were unloading, but been getting pretty lazy on the recording part of it. So, well, I think we're gonna have to give a point to the rain. I've been here for 5 hours or so. Lay down in the bunk for a bit. Everyone else is leaving. Don't think she's gonna let up any. It's one of those days. Anywho, so maybe go ahead and make sure you go and subscribe and like all my videos. And it's free to click. Remember, it's free to click. So anyway, keep her shiny side up. Come on.